Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome again. Welcome kwakhona. Sisaphezulu kwayo indaba ka-number 5 nobaba uMseleko nkosi yami. We can see lana they went for a picnic. Umusa Mseleko organized a picnic for yena no number 5 ukubana akabethwe umoya nkosi yami angazange athethelelwa amacala Jesu wami. So we can see here they're sitting here having few drinks and uZamke kunento ayikhuphako athi hayi nami ke na I've got a gift for you. We can see lana ukubana into encinci nje because people are saying ukubana it's a pregnancy test. Nami I'll have to agree on that one. It does look like it can be something like that. Allegedly she has delivered the baby already. Apparently it's a baby girl. Allegedly. I stand to be corrected because nothing has been aired yet. Him. So we can see lana shem ubaba uMseleko na you can see him ukubana wonwabile nkosi yami. Wonwabile, like when he's with Samke, honestly speaking, you can see ukubana he is light and like his face lights up. Kanti nenzani? They love each other so much, guys, and you can see pana they are so in love. Like even the way ubaba Mseleko smiles, even the way his eyes lit up, like you can see pana there's something that makes him happy when he's around Usamke. I guess he feels younger because young blood kaSamke, it makes him feel that young, like it enlightens him, it ignites him. So yeah, we can see they went for a picnic and they're enjoying nje kumnandi nje because yini le phakathi lana, because it does look like a pregnancy test and he's so happy. We can see him hugging Usamke, that thing of pana, yo, I'm so happy for us, we've made it, babe, we've made it, boo. So I'm sure a baby, it will be a nice thing to have right now kwaMseleko, because yeah, things haven't been so well. Even nje naye ubaba uMseleko nje, he's been in and out of hospital nje kuningi nje. The other wife they like, hey thina siyahamba, like umacele naye like hayi ke now I'm hated because I'm supporting you mangwabe uthi hayi